Hi boys and girls. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Google account. That'll get you access to our Google Classroom, to your Google Docs, your Google Drive, and all of those Google tools that we use. Okay? So first, we're going to start by opening up our internet browser. I use Google Chrome just because it's the simplest and easiest. You can use Firefox, you can use Explorer, Safari, whatever you use is fine. But if you're working in Chrome like I am, you'll notice when you open it, it might already be logged into somebody's page. This is my page, there's my picture, my name, my address bar, and if I were to click our classroom from here, it would take me directly to my teacher page, not the student page that you're going to see. So I'm going to teach you how to get into your page, okay? So we're going to go up here and we're going to click on that. It might say sign in. There might be somebody's picture. It might have just a letter. If it says sign in, go ahead and click sign in. Otherwise, we're going to come down here to guest. Now you're browsing as a guest. And now we have to go find our class webpage. You might have to go to CreightonSchools.org to look for that. Or if you happen to know it's sites.com, sites.google.com, CreightonSchools.org. So you can do it that way too. I did it that way just so it's easiest and a little quicker. You'll notice here that there is now a video on our page, and that is the tutorial on how to navigate the class website. This video will also go on as soon as I'm done with it. Okay? So we are going to log into our Google Classroom. Remember, you can click the pictures or the words, okay? And then it's going to ask you to sign in. This is where you're going to enter your Creighton email address, and your Creighton email address is your name and your lunch number at Creighton.org. So for example, student and the lunch number 12345 at Creighton Schools, don't forget that S, .org. Okay, so if your name is Billy, it would be Billy, and your lunch number is 23456, Billy 23456 at CreightonSchools.org, Sally 456789 at CreightonSchools.org, your name, your lunch number at CreightonSchools.org. Now for this next step, you will need to get a hold of me to get your password if you don't already know it. I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account so we can see what it looks like, since there's not really a student 12345 at our school. So when we sign in with these are called credentials. When we sign in with our credentials, it's going to ask us for your password. Okay, this is where you're going to enter the password that I gave you to get into your Google account. If you're not sure what that password is, call me, text me, message me, request a meeting on the form, and I will make sure that you get your password, okay? So my password is and I'm going to click next. Oh, but that's not my password. And then I have a verification. So it wants me to enter the verification code that it just sent to my phone. You probably won't have this step. If you do, go ahead and verify. If not, don't worry about it. and it might ask you a few of those questions, and you can just ignore that. And then it's going to take you to our class. Now, this is my view. This is the teacher's view. It's very similar to yours, as you can see. It's our stream and the morning messages and our class codes, all of that, okay? Well, hopefully that helps you learn how to sign into our Google Classroom. There is one more tutorial in our classroom. If you come to the stream, you can click the Google Classroom tutorial. It's going to show you one more time how to log in and also how to navigate through the Google Classroom, Khan Academy, and a couple of other resources. I hope this has been informative for you and you're able to log into our classroom, and I can't wait to see you in there.